Hi guys, welcome to this video on why so many traders fail in the stock market. What is the problem? Why so many traders suffer so much while trading in the stock markets? Is trading that difficult a game? Is it really so bad that people just cannot hold on to their trades? People just cannot understand how to trade? Is it so difficult? Is it so badly difficult that you just cannot understand which trades to enter, which trades to hold on to, which trades to let go? No, it's not that difficult. The problem is not the markets. The problem is the trader's psychology. So many things are going on in the minds of the trader when trading that usually the trader is caught between emotions, and when he's caught between emotions, it becomes really difficult for him to understand which way he wants to take while trading. Whether he should punch the order, whether he should let go of the trade, whether he should jump into the trade and then hold on to the trade, or whether he should book profits right now just because there is some profit. So all this is human psychology. All this is based on human psychology. So many times we see that so many traders come into the stock market, they try their hand at trading, and they get out of the trading part of their lives because they cannot make money trading. Is it that trading is bad for you? Or is it that trading is gambling? Or is it like the markets are not meant for you? No, none of the above. I don't believe in any of this stuff. What I want to tell my followers here is that each one of you can make it big. Each one of you can make your account grow big. The problem is not the markets. The problem is here in the minds. See, most often the most overbearing emotion that most traders suffer from is FOMO. FOMO is the short form for fear of missing out. So many traders suffer from FOMO that they jump into the trades at wrong places. They either see trades when they are not existent, or they jump into the trades where they should not jump in, or they jump into the trades before even the candle completes. They think that the market is going to run away from them and they'll never get an opportunity. It's never so. It's never so. So what happens here is the market is not doing something to you, or the market is not out there to get you. The market is doing its job. It doesn't have any rules. There are no rules. And that, I think, in my opinion, is the beauty of trading, that there are no rules. This is one business which has no rules. It's all up to your interpretation of price. It's all up to your understanding of the charts. So the best part of trading is that you have to look at charts, you have to identify the patterns, you have to wait for your entry, and you have to push the sell or buy button. Now let's talk about why traders fail so miserably and so regularly at trading. So as I just said, the first point being FOMO. This is a human emotion which is applicable to not just traders but to investors also. So even long-term investors suffer from this kind of a fear. It is the fear of missing out. Missing out of what? Missing out of an opportunity to make big money, to make huge sums of money, to become rich. Now, why is there the need to become rich so fast and so furious? Does it really have to be like that? Can't you wait? Was Rome built in a day? It was not. Rome was not built in a day. So your riches are not going to be built in a single night. So one trade, if it goes away, it doesn't matter. Another will come by. If not today, tomorrow it will come by. So why suffer from FOMO? It doesn't matter if you miss the bus. It doesn't matter if the market runs away from you. It does not matter if you did not enter one trade. It is much better to sit on the sidelines and miss a trade than to enter the wrong trade because of FOMO and get your stop loss hit. Which leads me to my second point. The next worst emotion that traders suffer from is hope. It's the worst emotion you can have. What hope does to you is it gives you the hope that you're going to make it successful in a particular trade. So let's say you are caught in the wrong trade and the trade is going against you. It is hope that tells you to hang on to the losing trade and not to cut it. So if you cut the trade quickly, if you decide to cut it at the level at which you have decided to, there is no place for hope. Another place where hope plays its part is wherever you see that the market is going and you see that you are getting a good amount of profit. You don't book your profits at that place. and from there the market reverses, and from that place it goes below your entry level or above your entry level if you're in a short position, and then it goes to your SL. So hope was when you did not book your profits. You kept hoping that the market is going to go further and is going to give you more profits, so you keep hoping for more profits. You might not be a greedy person. This is not greed I'm talking about hope. You hope that the market is going to give you more profits, and in the hunt for more profits you keep waiting, in spite of the fact that probably you've already got your 1:2 reward, but you don't book it at that time, and then you wait, and then the market reverses, and again when it goes to your SL level you are hopeful that it will not hit your SL, only to see that it has already hit your SL, and then you keep hoping that yes, there is a support below. At that support it's going to turn. It breaks that support, it goes lower, then you say that okay, now there is a swing high below, so from that swing high it's going to take support and it's going to turn where previously price had turned. So it's coming to that level, now it's going to turn. Done, it's broken that level also, and now you are in fear of a huge loss, and now you book your big loss by the time you have done a lot of damage. So you see why hope cuts on both sides, and that is why I always say hope is the worst emotion to have. Now let's talk about the third emotion, which is greed. A lot of people are very greedy. They do not book their profits when they are very successful also. So it's not about new traders only. These emotions, particularly greed, does haunt seasoned and successful traders also. So when you see that you're in good profits, instead of booking those profits and covering up for your past losses, you keep waiting, and then you want more and more profits, and you either get them. So if you get them the first few times, you keep getting greedier, and if you don't get them and it keeps hitting your stop loss, you start becoming fearful, and then again it goes back to fear, and then your interpretations of the price, your interpretations of charts starts getting affected, and then it creates a problem for you because you don't know whether you want to enter a trade at all or not. That is the stage finally traders reach, and then eventually with a lot of pain they tend to give up trading, which is such a sad thing because trading is such a beautiful profession. Only if they had managed their human emotions, their natural instincts, they would have made it successful in the stock market. So it's all about your emotions. Why majority of traders fail in this market is because of your internal human emotions. Your emotions that guide you throughout your day, your emotions that guide most of the activities that you do throughout your day. Are we all machines? We are not, right? We all have emotions. We need to control those emotions in the market if we want to make it big in this market. So I hope you've understood from this video what exactly I meant to say here. I made this short video for you to understand exactly what human emotions are, how they play out, and how you should guard yourself against them. You should start understanding that markets don't work on emotions. Just learn technical analysis, just learn basics in simple price action, just learn the basics of order punching, just learn the basics of how to be safe in the market, and keep your capital ready whenever you want to punch the trade. These are just the few important points that are essential for you to become a successful trader throughout your life. Nothing is stopping you. The markets are not telling you to come and trade. The markets are not telling you to leave trading. So I hope guys you've liked this video. If you have, please hit the like button, and also subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and hit the bell icon so that you'll be notified whenever I post a new video. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.